What are you going to do with my information? That's a good question. One that you should be asking to every app company that you use, because information can be sold. And let's be honest, do you really want your birthday and your name and your email being sold to the highest bidder? No, nobody wants that. And so because nobody wants that, and because I don't personally want that, we're definitely taking the biblical approach here in treating our neighbor the way we would want to be treated. Kind of butchered that a little bit, but you know what I'm saying. We're not going to sell your information. What are you going to do with it? Nothing. We are not going to sell your information. That is the short answer. Now, the long answer, for those of you that are really interested in privacy and keeping every detail about yourself private, we do have solutions for you. For example, if you don't do anything and you answer a dogma question, that information, that answer that you give can be seen about you. However, because we understand that sometimes information is personal and private, and maybe you want to answer a question, but you don't want anyone to know how you answered, you can make that question unsearchable. And in that way, you're using the app for its ability, you're building your dogma, but nobody knows what it says and nobody needs to know what it says. And so we are building in these features that help you really control every detail of your personal information. And we're working hard to make it very clear what is shared and what is not. Like your first and last name, that's going to be shared because people need to find you. Your birthday, that's not going to be shared because nobody really needs to know your birthday except your mom and dad and grandparents. Grandparents need to know that too. So what are we going to do with your information? Nothing. We're not going to sell it. No secrets, no tricks. Again, My Dogma is not about making money. We need to make some money to be sustainable and to grow and to thrive. However, that is not our primary purpose. We genuinely, actually, believe it or not, want to help people. We want to be treated the way, butchering this verse. Wow, what's the golden rule? Something like that. Treat others the way you want to be treated. That's what we want to do. That's what we want to do. We're not going to sell your information. I botched the end of this, but we're going to show it anyways.